Hello, my name is Omer Raheem. I'm a urologist consultant at the Cleveland Clinic Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. I'd like to thank the Arab Urological Association, the AAU organizing committee for hosting a wonderful and very educational meeting this year in Doha, Qatar, 2024. This meeting has been very diverse and educational and valuable for us in the region to advance our urological knowledge and expertise, and also hands-on experience in different variety of urological conditions and surgeries. So really I would like to give a lot of kudos and congratulations to the organizing committee for a wonderful meeting. Personally, I had been involved in lots of oral presentations, video presentations, and just today, which is the last day of the meeting, we're gonna have an oral videos award ceremony that's been selected for an award at this meeting. Look forward to a wonderful meeting next year, hopefully in Oman, Muscat, in 2025. So thank you again for the Arab Urology Association meeting for having us for the last few days. Thank you.